Dear students, how are you? Hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now we are going to read the Busy Bees. Look at what is this? Yes, this is the picture of bee. It has 6 legs, 4 wings and 2 stings. Sting means তীক্ষ্ণ বিষাক্ত হুল. When it flies, it makes buzzing sound. Do you know why bees are called busy bees? Because bees are very active. They work from morning to evening. They fly from flowers to flowers to collect honey. They don't know what rest is. Do you get any sound? Yes, it's buzzing sound of the bee. Look, the bee wants to tell us something by making buzzing sound. Okay, let's hear the bee. Radio into a book, page 72. The Busy Bees. I am a bee. You may have read about me. I live in a hive with hundreds of other bees. Bee lives with hundreds of other bees in a hive. Hive means in Bengali mouchak. In English, a place in which bees live. The bees make their hive on the branch of a tree. Look, this is also hive. Man has made this hive for bees. This also hive. This also hive. So hive may be like this, like this, like this, or like this. So whatever it is, but the place in which or where bees live, that's hive. Have you understood hive? Yes. All winter we hang in a great cluster, sound asleep. When spring comes, we wake up and fly off to the flowers in search of honey. Cluster means group, dol ba jhap. All winter, bees hang in a group and take sound sleep. But in spring, we see lots of flowers in nature, isn't it? So that's time bees wake up and fly off to the flowers in search of honey. Search means to find. So in search of honey, to find out honey, we store the honey which we gather in little wax boxes called cells. Look at. Yes, this is cells. Store means jama kora. Bees store the honey in little wax boxes which called cells. Look at cells. Yes, cells means kokho ba kho. দেখো এক একটি কক্ষ দেখতে পাচ্ছ, এগুলো এক একটি কক্ষের মতো নয়? হ্যাঁ, কক্ষ বা খোপ. These cells are made of wax, means moam. This is natural wax, and this natural wax produced by the worker bees. We keep some for ourselves and mix it with pollen dust from the flowers. This makes bee bread for the baby bees. Bees keep some honey for themselves and mixed the honey with pollen dust. In Bangla, Paragrenu. Look at the yellow powder that comes from flowers. That is pollen dust. And pollen dust Bengali means Paragrenu. Bees bring pollen dust from flowers and keep that dust on the honey. This pollen dust, yes, also these bees collect pollen dust from the flowers. Look at the bees bring pollen dust from flowers and keep the pollen dust on the honey. This pollen dust is the bee bread for the baby bees. The queen bee is our mother. She lays a great number of eggs, one in each cell. Look at the queen bee. Queen bee is the mother bee. You can easily identify queen bee from the other bees. Queen bee is, yes, big in size, very large, fat, isn't it? Yes. So, queen bee lays a great number of eggs in each cell. Queen bee lays a great number of eggs, one in each cell. Look at the eggs. Look at the eggs, one in each cell. This is the egg. When the warm weather comes, each egg hatches into a little white grub, which grows until it fills the cell. When the warm means ushno ba halka gorom, ushno weather e প্রতিটি ডিম ফুটে ছোট্ট সাদা কীট হয়. Kit means that is very little small insect. Look at the white grub. It then spins itself a covering called a cocoon. It then spins itself a covering called a cocoon and goes to sleep for some days. When it awakes, it is a perfect bee. Look at, yes, the little white grub make a covering within itself, which is called cocoon. And this little white grub goes to sleep for some days. When it awakes, it's a perfect bee. These come out from the cocoon as a perfect bee. From the eggs, it becomes cocoon and becomes a perfect bee. Last summer, our hive became very crowded. So many baby bees were born. We could not spread our wings. The queen said, "Let us fly away from this hive." She flew to the branch of a tree nearby, and some of us made a cluster around her. Always other bees follow the queen bee. Queen bee flies to the branch of a tree nearby, and other bees make a group around her. Again, soon the man to whom we belong came for us with a new hive. Look at the bee that has been talking to us for so long is a bee of a farm. The bee farmer came with a new hive. He shook our cluster into the hive, being careful to catch the queen. Okay, the bee farmer came with a new hive. He shook the cluster of the bees and he was very careful to catch the queen. Can you tell me why? Why he is so careful to catch the queen? Yes, because queen bee is the mother bee. She lays eggs and all the bees always follow her. He then carried the hive to a new spot in his garden and we are now busy filling it with honey. If you should happen to be in our garden, come and watch us. But please do not touch us. Why? Yes, bees have stings which are very dangerous. If bees sting you, it will be very painful. Students, do you know the bee farmers make farm of bees to collect honey? Honey is the herbal medicine for different diseases. মধু হচ্ছে বিভিন্ন রোগের প্রকৃতি প্রদত্ত মহা ঔষধ. Nowadays, honey is used in making different medicines. Think, Allah has given us this herbal medicine through the small insect bee. No one should be neglected as a small. So, we must be kind to every creation of Allah and must be thankful to our God, Allah. Thank you, students. Today, up to this. Thank you.